Ugh, that was gross. How did that get there? Hello friends, heard a couple people asking for more samples of what I actually am getting in the Misfit produce box. So thought I would do another unboxing haul type thing. And this is what the box actually looks like that they ship to you. They'll sometimes give you like a recipe card and obviously ads for more things that you did not buy, but you could if you wanted. This is fresh tomato salsa. Let's see if they even gave us stuff to make salsa. This is kind of what it looks like. There's this ice pack that is thoroughly melted, and there's the basic condition of the produce. Some of it is a little worse than others. So, unboxing. First, we have this lovely crushed package. It does say Roma tomatoes. Gonna get out some handy dandy scissors to check them out. They don't appear to be bruised. Thank you, little container guy. Yeah, these actually look like they're pretty good condition. Another crushed box. Pluots. I don't know what a pluot is. We will find out. Please open without bruise. Okay. Well, it's another fruit that I don't know, so that's gonna be interesting. They look, I would assume it's a plum hybrid. I don't know what's a hybrid with, but it is sure pretty color. This this is he a big boy. Oh, hello, he a big boy. This is a pretty sizable summer squash, in my opinion, actually. I would guess small lemons. They're just a little green yellow, not a pure limey green or lemony yellow. This one's looking a little worse for wear though, so we will have to figure something out with that. It's a beet. It's another beet. Ironically, I was thinking about dyeing something like an ombre pink as just kind of like a, you know, quarantine crafts. Not the biggest fan of the taste of beets, do appreciate the natural dyeing properties. He looks okay, not great, not terrible, but yeah. Are you all the same? I think that they're all the same. They are chips pink, so I believe these are pink ladies. These do have their little stickies, so I can check the grocery store code. At least one is a little bit bruised, but it doesn't look to be too bad. Alrighty, a cucumber. I really like cucumber. This is just, you know, standard organic cucumber, not a pickling one. You know, great in salad, whatever. Cucumber. I got another 2 red potatoes, 3. Ooh, I have a giant onion, 4 little red potatoes. We still haven't used the last ones we got last week, but just for size comparison, this is what we got last week and this is what we got this week. Honestly, I have been mildly inspired by a soup from Ratatouille that I just need to recreate some sort of version of a cream potato soup. This onion has a twin. My face for a size comparison. These are pretty big onions. We are big onion fans in this house, so oh, it's gonna get used, definitely. Mango, mango, mango. I'm not in love with you, mango. They aren't my favorite. I will eat them. I might be in a mood for a mango. They're not at all my least favorite fruit. It's just, I don't know, I haven't been in a mood for them and I have had at least one in every box so far. Just like, I would appreciate a little bit more change up. But speaking of change up, hello, beautiful. It's a little babybok choy. Hell yeah. You might have noticed that a week or so ago, I put up a recipe entirely of tofu. We like Asian food in this house, so this is definitely gonna be like some bomb stir fry, glass noodles, soup, whatever. We love Asian food and we have a little bit of babybok choy for it. Awesome. So this bad boy, I believe, is a turnip. He is a hefty boy, which means I am going to need to figure out some turnip recipes, and dear God, I hope he tastes better than a beet. Because me brain, all the turnip recipes I have are World War II rations, but I am kind of excited to try them. Well, thank you so much for coming on this little journey with me. If you have any recipes that you think I should try for this gorgeous selection of produce, then feel free to list them along with any questions, comments, or concerns down below in the comments. New videos are supposed to come out on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays. Haven't really been sticking to that, but if I were you, I would like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye!